Tips and tricks to prepare for your first Brazilian wax. So, you're about to get your first Brazilian wax? Feeling a bit anxious? That's completely normal, but don't stress. I'm here to guide you through everything you need to know to make the experience as smooth as possible. Stick around for a pro tip at the end that can make all the difference. A Brazilian wax removes all or most of the hair from your intimate area, leaving your skin soft and hair-free. It might sound intimidating, but with the right prep, it's much easier than you think. Let's get you ready. Step 1. Let your hair grow. Your hair should be at least a quarter-inch long, about the size of a grain of rice. This helps the wax grip properly for an effective removal. Step 2. Gently exfoliate. Exfoliating 24 to 48 hours before your wax helps remove dead skin cells and reduces the risk of ingrown hairs. Use a mild scrub or a soft exfoliating glove. Step 3. Skip caffeine and alcohol. Both can make your skin extra sensitive, making the experience more uncomfortable. Instead, stay hydrated with plenty of water. Step 4. Wear loose, comfortable clothing. After your wax, your skin will be sensitive. Opt for loose, breathable fabrics like cotton to prevent irritation. Step 5. Take a pain reliever if necessary. If you're worried about discomfort, take an over-the-counter pain reliever like ibuprofen 30 minutes before your appointment to help ease sensitivity. When you arrive, your esthetician will apply warm wax to the small sections of your skin and quickly remove it with a strip. The first pull might sting, but don't worry. It gets easier as you go. And if you need a moment to breathe, just let them know. Step 6. Avoid heat and sweat. For 24 hours, skip hot showers, saunas, and workouts. Your skin needs time to calm down. Step 7. Soothe your skin. Apply aloe vera or an unscented moisturizer to keep the area calm and hydrated. Step 8. Avoid touching and scrubbing. Resist the urge to touch the area and don't exfoliate for at least 48 hours. This helps prevent irritation and ingrown hairs. Want your wax to last longer? Stick to a regular schedule. Getting waxed every 4 to 6 weeks helps slow hair growth over time, making future sessions quicker and less painful. And there you have it, your complete guide to preparing for a Brazilian wax. Follow these steps and you'll be smooth and confident in no time. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who might need it. Got questions?